night ride. This might feel real good when it's unfairing like this. Like, I love the way it feels. The torque, the air. So you be doing like 60. But man, the pull of it, the wind blasting you in the chest. You know, what we all set out here to ride for, right? Let me check this tripometer. I'm watching this gas lead. Make sure that's working properly. Oh, yeah. Matter of fact, my heel shifted. You know what's the gear with the heel shifted? Ah, that feels so good. Woo, baby. I know it's dark over here. We'll try to get somewhere where there may be some more street light. Oh man, that feels great. One more. Slow it down. She's a vendor. She's a vendor. Yes. God damn it, yes. Oh, she throws down, baby. This bike's my bitch. Easy K1. Got you. At the moment you know you are wrong with your bike. You mind. I still respect you. But you mind. Got him, coach. That feels good. Living that night ride. Something about riding at night has a little element to it. It takes away from it too, though. You don't see everything you would normally see, but typically if I ride at night, I'm not going to be out where I would normally ride at during the day. So, I'll be out here. The cars are. Doing this. Stepping down on her, baby. Step down on her. I must say, I like this heel toe shifting. That is rude. This is the road for sport bikers right here. It's a short little run, but I'll be in my car getting at it. My wife think I don't see her holding on to that handrail when we come around here, especially when I'm in the Audi. I'll be trying to get it. Woo, baby! Still with a high beam action over this hill. Grind hill, high beam. tires gotta do it to you. Gotta do it to you. Woo! Yes, sir. Watch that bend, boy. It keeps bending right there. You better be ready. This about you around like it's my bitch. I'm flinging it around like it's my bitch. Let's go up here and intentionally bust a Huey. We'll find out if we're one. Yes! Right there. Right there. We'll go to this one, it's a little tighter. The other one give me a little bit more space. Oh. Look at that preload. I do it faster. Why? Why? Like that night air, woo! Like that night air. Let's go.